How to fix input signal out of range error on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can fix input signal out of range error on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Such type of error usually occurs when the display settings on your computer exceed the capabilities on your Windows. So here's how you can fix it. First of all, you can adjust the screen resolution. Here you can go to the settings by clicking on the search bar and now go to the settings. Once you're here, go to the system and then go to the display. Here scroll down a bit and then go to this display resolution. Here click on the drop down and you have to choose a resolution that is supported by your device. Here most of the modern displays support the 190 into 1080, which is recommended right here. So according to your device, you can choose the supported resolution. Once you have changed the display resolution, you can close this and you have to restart your PC in the normal mode. If that still does not help you, now you can update or reinstall the graphics driver. Sometimes the outdated or incorrect graphics drivers can cause the resolution issues. So for that, what you have to do is simply press Windows plus X key on your keyboard. Here go to the device manager, and once you're here, you have to expand the display drivers. Click on it. Now you have to right click in your GPU and select Update Driver. After that, you can choose the search automatically for drivers or download the latest drivers from the GPU manufacturer website. Click on it. Here it says the drivers for your device are already installed. So if that is already installed, you can close this. If that still doesn't help you, now look for your device specifications. Look at your laptop or PC's manual or check the manufacturer's website to confirm it is supported resolution and the refresh rate. Ensure these settings match in your display settings. So if that still doesn't help you, then your device might have some hardware fault or compatibility issue, so you have to check the hardware specifications. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.